Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Dudhi Chana Dal recipe, also called bottle gourd chana dal recipe. A simple, comforting and nutritious dish that brings together the mild sweetness of bottle gourd with the rich, hearty texture of chana dal. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Dudhi Chana Dal, which is also called bottle gourd chana dal. This classic dish combines soft, well-cooked chana dal with tender dudhi infused with flavors of cumin, garlic, bay leaves and a blend of everyday spices. The result is a thick, flavorful dal with a comforting texture that pairs beautifully with rice, chapati or even bread. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Dudhi Chana Dal recipe. Step 1. Preparing the Dudhi Chana Dal mixture. We have taken around 1 cup of chana dal, also known as split Bengal gram or split chickpeas. Wash the chana dal 5 to 6 times until you get clear water. Soak the chana dal for around 5 to 6 hours. We have taken around 1 kg of dudhi, also known as bottle gourd. Cut the dudhi into small size cubes. After 5 to 6 hours, strain the water from the chana dal. Add the dudhi pieces in a pressure cooker. Then add the soaked chana dal. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 5 cups or 1 liter plus 250 ml of water. The dudhi and chana dal should be completely immersed in water. Mix everything nicely. Close the pressure cooker and put the whistle. Now place the cooker on medium heat. Let it cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Once done, put the heat off and set it aside to cool down. Open the cover only after it has cooled down completely. Boiled Dudhi Chana Dal mixture is ready. Remove the excess water, if any, from the pressure cooker. Keep it aside to use later while cooking. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 4 medium-sized onions. Cut them very fine. 4 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them very fine. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Slit them the way I have done. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. 1/4 cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. 2 bay leaves. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Take 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing powder. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon of salt.
Hello everyone. We would like to introduce our new channel, Get Cooking Global, where we share restaurant-style Indian and international recipes in the same detailed, step-by-step recipe style that you've seen on Get Cooking Now. So, if you love restaurant-style dishes and want to prepare them at home, then you must definitely check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global. The link for our new channel is provided in the description box. Or simply mention Get Cooking Global in your comment and we will send you the link. Now, let's continue with our recipe.
Step 3. Preparing the Dudhi Chana Dal. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the cumin or jeera seeds. Cut and add the bay leaves. Stir everything nicely. Once the cumin or jeera seeds start spluttering, add the garlic pieces. After a minute, add the asafoetida or hing powder. Add the finely cut onions. Stir it nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions are slightly brown, add the ginger garlic paste. Stir everything nicely. Cook for around a minute or two. Then add the finely cut tomatoes. Mix everything nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. After around a minute, add half cup or 125 ml of excess dal water. If dal water is not available, then add normal drinking water. Add another half cup or 125 ml of excess dal water. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 4 to 5 minutes or until the tomatoes have mashed up. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Once the tomatoes have mashed up, add the coriander powder. Also add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Cook for around 2 minutes. Then add the Dudhi Chana Dal mixture. Check the consistency. This dal is on the thicker side. If required, add water and adjust the consistency as per your liking. Check for salt and add if required. We added half teaspoon of salt. Add the split green chilies. Add the garam masala powder. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook until it gets a good boil. Once it is boiling, stir everything nicely. Add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything nicely. Once done, put the heat off. Delicious Dudhi Chana Dal or bottle gourd chana dal is ready. Enjoy this Dudhi Chana Dal hot with rice, chapati, roti or bread. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.